care for them staunchy yachts. I'm not one of them fooled by your horse semantics. My game's not the fire up and talk react. Change myself to help keep an audience captive. I have no choice but to stay active. I'm no fashion band, my pain's attractive. Once was punk rocker, I remain adaptive. Immersed in the music, what I do is refractive. And it's not about sycophantic antics. I am what I am, my demand is frantic. Earth boy is amicable, but oh, I can't switch. Not transatlantic, but I'm still handpicked. Never seen this land, there's no sand. Not as much candid, and it's unbranded. Trust is untampered, stay that way. Talk a lot, but I forgot to say. To now, thanks for chewing the fat. You gave me a time and I ain't fooling at that. So give me 1 second and I'm giving it back. And when we make some noise, we're really making a pact. Yeah, thanks for chewing the fat. You gave me a time and I ain't fooling at that. So give me 1 second and I'm giving it back. And when we make some noise, we're really making a pact. Sometimes it's little more than me and my worldview. The bills piling up and I got so much to sort through. Cap like wine bottle, solely needing a corkscrew. We're human, it's normal to want someone to talk to. No workplace agreement, there's nobody to force you, no walk you. You're the definition of core crew. Thanks for the chill, you know I couldn't afford you. No matter the predicament, I wouldn't ignore you. Why am I more in tune with shit that falls through? Like looking through convex lens and making objects bend. Obsessed with the contest ends, but what contest? We're not trying to rock top 10, it's what we not got ends. It's a lot of the majority. Them in the drop top friends, they know authority. If I get too deep and dark, then my apologies. Love you to get rich quicker than don't worry. And I'd love you to fall in love. Love it if your hand was the one that fit the glove. Love it if the entire world was run by dogs. But until then, I'll just keep banging my drum. Yeah. And I'd love you to feel more sane. Love it if the world had learned more from the great game. Love it if the skies drop like some rain. But until then, I'll just keep making my name.